Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this trade-in we just got. It's a 2019 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 25-pack 12 plus. For starters, on the front of the unit, you do have a nice large storage space. This box here, the metal box here, is gen prep, so that is where a generator would go if you chose to have one installed. It does have a scare light along with 2 outdoor speakers. You've got cable and satellite hookups, a TV mount, and a nice large lighted and power awning. It's got the blue LEDs. I don't have the awning rolled out because it's a little windy today, but it does have the blue LEDs underneath. Back here you do have the party deck patio system, which I'll show you more once we get inside. This unit does have one slide. It is in the main living space. Right here at the front of the unit is your bedroom. You do have the side open cabinets up top, which are great because you don't have to hold them open while you're loading and unloading the cabinets. You've got a mirrored closet on each side of the bed along with USB ports and outlets. So if you need to charge your phone or you have medical equipment you need in the night, you're able to do that right at the bed. And there's a nice little nightstand on each side of the bed for that. Right outside the bedroom is your entertainment space. So you do have a radio, some cabinetry, and a Furrion fireplace, which is great for those 40-degree nights where it's kind of cold, but not quite cold enough to really turn your propane on. This fireplace will keep this main living space nice and toasty. And then it does have a TV mount as well. Again, this unit does have one slide, and on the slide you've got the Thomas Paine recliner set. This is incredibly comfortable. Each one of these seats reclines, and the 2 end pieces do have lighted cup holders along with a massage setting and a heat setting. It does have the wooden blinds in the main living space. You got some cabinetry over there. And opposite your slide is your kitchen. You do have a large single basin sink. It does have a pull down sprayer. You've got a 3-burner Suburban stovetop and a high point convection microwave. And then over here you do have a Furrion refrigerator. Moving back to the back of the unit is your bathroom. So of course you have a toilet, you've got a nice amount of storage there, and then you've also got a corner vanity and medicine cabinet. And then you do have a large corner shower with the skylight overhead. This unit already has fairly high ceilings. However, the skylight will add some extra headroom if need be. And behind this door you do have a towel hook right here by the shower. And finally, moving to the garage. The garage has tons of tie-down points. You do have the Happy Jack bunk system. With this, you get the 2 boot-style seats. With these seats, it does have cup holders in each one of them. These will flip up like so. And you do have the table. It is not stationary, so you can hold it up and move it out of the way and use this lower space for a bed, and you just lock it in place. If you do use this lower space for a bed, you do need to put the leg supports down. There's one on the headrest along with the one on the seat itself. And there's also a bunk up top, which I'll show you in just a second. This bunk up top will come to about shoulder height on me. I'm 5'4". It's actually fairly easy to get up there. You would just run the lower bunk flat, put the headrest all the way flat, and then run the lower bunk all the way up to here and pull these pins. There's one on each rail, and then you would be able to lower the upper bunk down. The garage does have blackout curtains throughout. There are 3 windows back here. You do have a cabinet here for storage. And then moving back here, you've got the screen. This screen will zip together up top. I do have it tied back, but it does have essentially windows. This is the screen. If you wanted to black this out, you just undo the clips and it velcros in place and it'll black out the garage. This screen will also roll all the way up so that it's up out of the way. And then back here, this is your ramp. With your ramp, you can use it as the party deck, or you can use it, you know, as a ramp. All you would have to do to use it as a ramp is run your gates out after you latch them together, and then you would pull the pins on the cables. It does have an actual gate. And then it does have a TV mount back here as well. And you've got cable and satellite hookups up top. If you'd like to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.